Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take high resolution 50 megapixel photos on your TCL 408. So to do this you have to open this three lines in the left bottom corner and pick the high pixel mode. It's actually the 50 megapixel mode. So click to catch focus, hold your phone steady, and after a few moments the photo will be taken. And right now, thanks to this mode, we can get some more details. So when you zoom in and take a look for this button, as you can see, we can find some details. This piece is all the dust, for example. And you can also zoom in very close, so you will be able to crop photos thanks to this mode. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.